everybody is well and staying safe. I'm Mr. Gary with Sarasota Girls Incorporated. I'm the facilitator for sustainability. Sustainability is a word that's made up of two words: sustain, which means keep going, and ability, which means we can do it. So we just want you to keep going and get through all this problem. Today, when I feel like I'm getting stressed out or need to relax, I like to garden. So I know that we're sending you some things, maybe some food and others, and we wanted to send you something that you can garden with if you don't have a garden of your own. So we're going to be sending you a pot such as this. It has a hole in the bottom for drainage, so you might want to do this outside. We'll have a bag of soil, which is this. It already has all the fertilizer and everything in it that you need, and a tomato plant such as these little tomatoes. And all you do is take a pair of scissors or get your parents to help you. You can snip the top, and then this opens up. Put a little bit of soil in the bottom of your pot. First, if you want to decorate your pot, you want to do that before. I decorated mine. You can draw on it whatever you want to or label it. You put some soil in there. Open up your tomato plant. Take out all in one piece as much as possible. Put it in your soil and then fill in around the rest. And then this is the part you want to make sure you're outside. Water it in good. So you can plant this outside or inside. You just want to make sure that you're not going to make a mess, because when it drains, the water will come out of the bottom. So these little tomatoes, you can get, some of them are a little larger, small ones. But when you get tomatoes, if you want, you can just mash these, get the seeds out, and put them in a pot, and you'll get a bunch of little seedlings. So you can have a lot more seedling tomatoes that way. So I hope that everybody can keep on keeping on and get through this troubling times. We'll talk to you later.